Hi, I'm Janita, Head Prefect of 2001. I'm deeply honored and excited to send my heartfelt wishes to my alma mater, St. Lawrence's Convent, as it celebrates its 121st year in existence. I fondly remember being a part of the centenary celebrations back then in the year 2000, which was celebrated in a grand scale. I'm also honored to celebrate both my birthday and my school day together on the same day, which falls on the 10th of August. I'm proud to say that St. Lawrence's has produced many successful personalities to the society in different fields, and the values that we uphold as Lawrencians stand out wherever we go. My appreciation goes out to all past and present principals, teachers, students, and parents for their contribution to this institute to make it what it is today. I pray and I wish my school God's abundant blessings to grow from strength to strength so that the flag will keep flying up high through the years ahead. Thank you and may God bless you.
A very happy anniversary to my alma mater, St. Lawrence's School. We are who we are today thanks to the values you inculcated in us. So a very big thank you to all the past principals, the nuns and the teachers who went beyond their call of duty to make sure that we groom to become young ladies whom they can be proud of. So once again, a very happy anniversary, and I wish you God's blessings to continue to do the good work.
School of our girlhood yesterday, we pledge our love and loyalty. I'm Jessica Silva, Head Prefect of the year 2011. On this special occasion, as our alma mater celebrates 121 years, my heartfelt wishes to all the present and past pupils, teachers and the management. It is no doubt that I am a proud Lawrencian for all the education, experience and exposure I've received, and I'm very thankful to my school for who I am today. And for that love, currently I serve in the Past Pupils Association. St. Lawrence's Convent taught me how to grow as a student by developing values, spirituality and confidence to face the society and future. I wish success and all the very best for decades ahead in educating the present and future Lawrencians and to produce valuable, strong and empowered females for our nation for a better tomorrow. God bless.
Hello everyone, I'm Navodaya Dias and I'm very proud to have been the Head Prefect of St. Lawrence's Convent for the year 2015. It is a significant milestone for all the Lawrencians as we celebrate the 121st School Day. I would like to take this opportunity to thank all our principals and teachers who have guided us to become who we are today. I wish my alma mater strength and blessings to accomplish great things while seeking the greater glory of God with magnanimity and meekness in whatever we strive to achieve by proudly keeping the banner red and gold unfurled. Once again, wishing all my fellow Lawrencians a happy school day. God bless you.
Hi everyone, I'm Shanali, the Head Prefect for the year 2018 of St. Lawrence's Convent. I'm so glad to be a part of this great school and to be a witness of its 121st anniversary. I would like to thank the God Almighty for all His blessings bestowed upon St. Lawrence's Convent for the past 121 years, and also the past and the present principal, the staff and all the nuns who helped all the Laurentians to be whom they are today. Again, wishing all the Laurentians a happy 121st anniversary. May the God bless you all.
I'm Melina Bastian, School Head Prefect for the year 2019. Firstly, I'm most humbled and privileged to have received the opportunity to send in my best wishes as St. Lawrence's Convent celebrates a journey of 121 years in nurturing young minds. Well, to talk about St. Lawrence's Convent, it has always created rich academic spheres and delivered both a quality and a positive learning experience to all its students. St. Lawrence's for me is not merely my school, but it is also my second home, a place that I adore and love so dear. Throughout the years, St. Lawrence's Convent has often taken pride in unfurling the banners of red and gold up high for all enrichment it has to offer. Also, I'm most grateful and thankful to all the principals and teachers who have served St. Lawrence's Convent with utmost dedication, diligence and perseverance over the years. Lastly, as the school embarks on an amazing journey of 121 years, I'm sending loads of best wishes to always work for the greater glory of God and to continue to shine among the best as it always does. Thank you very much and may God bless you all.
They say there's no place like home, and they were right. But to me, if there's some place even close to that, this would it be. As the head girl for the year 2020 and as a student who has served her alma mater for 13 years long, I'm truly proud to call myself Laurentian. I've gotten so many opportunities here that I wouldn't imagine getting anywhere else. Over the years, my school has been home to many more like me, and each and every one of them are people of character and discipline and blessings to the society. We have been taught to thrive in God's glory, and that is exactly what we do. Today we have gathered here to celebrate the birth of our alma mater, the 121st anniversary of St. Lawrence's Convent, which grew under the guidance of the Sisters of the Good Shepherd Congregation in 1953. Running back in 1900, it was first founded by Mrs. Janet Poirier, the founders as you all know, to whom I would like to extend my sincere gratitude especially, and all the principals and teachers who carried our alma mater on their shoulders ever since. I'm ever so grateful for their hard work and dedication in molding us to be who we are today. I wish my school all the best in all its future endeavors, and I pray that it continues to shine progressively and unceasingly for the greater glory of God. Thank you.